Thank you. I'm 74. At my age, I often have no idea what day it is. You know, Monday morning I got up and I got dressed for church. Getting dressed for church on Monday morning. How stupid is that? I don't go to church on Mondays. I'm Jewish. I don't go to church at all. At 74, I look at all the young people and how fearless they are. And all I can think of is, it should be old people that are fearless, not the young. If a young person goes out and does something extreme and dies, they're missing out on a long, beautiful life. If I go out and do something extreme, I'm missing out on hospice. And maybe a morphine drip. Look, baby boomers, we don't need long-term care insurance. We need senior discounts on extreme sports. And besides that, at my age, I got plans. I got goals. You know, I want to ride my bicycle clear across the country. I want to see my grandchildren graduate from college. And if I'm really, really lucky, after over 50 years of marriage, I want my wife to finally come to one of my shows. Now my friends, they also have plans. They are downsizing their family home and moving into single-floor condos and buying funeral plots in godforsaken places like Ohio. Why? So the kids won't be bothered. So the kids won't be bothered. Fuck the kids! You don't think I was bothered? Going to every soccer game and swim meet and praying, please, please, don't make the finals. And I am still sacrificing for my kids today. You know, I let them use my password for Pornhub Pro. That's the kind of dad I am. But I'm not buying a cemetery plot in Ohio. Look, I want people to come and visit my grave. And if I'm in Ohio, nobody, not even this guy, is going to come visit Ohio. That's why we need destination funerals. Yeah, Disney needs to step up and start offering destination funerals coupled with timeshares. Imagine Disney Graveland in beautiful downtown Orlando between the parks and DeSantis' prisons. It's where Woe can go to die and be buried. Personally, I want a classic Disney funeral. Crystal casket, pumpkin hearse, and the 7 dwarfs as my pallbearers. And then, every year, on the anniversary of my death, my relatives can come, stay at the park for free, because they be cheap. We'll give them mouse ears, and before they go to the park, we'll have an iconic Disney character leading past my grave, someone like Goofy. Well, hiya, kids. Well, there's Grandpa's final playground. He sure is gone. Let's go to Space Mountain. I hate the fact, just because I'm over 70, people think that I'm old. That on the subway, pregnant women give me their seat. And then my only pickup line is, help, I've fallen, I can't get out. But I get it, I do. As people age, they change. A young man at 22 dreams of having a mistress. Young, sexy, won't dress up like a nurse. An old man at 92 dreams of having a mistress that's a nurse. The young man really wants his mistress to knock his socks off. The old man really wants his mistress to put the socks back on, dear. Young man honestly believes that he'll be happy if he just gets his way. The old man knows that the only way to be happy is to not give a shit and enjoy the morphine drip. Look, old age is an attitude, not a number. And personally, I think that you're not really old unless your side piece is your night nurse and your spouse appreciates the help. And I'm not old. I walk my dog every day, twice a day for 2 hours. All right, it's only an hour and a half. But you know, that dog stops every 10 minutes. So I can pee. I'm Mark Palchak. Thank you very much.